Hey everybody, Dr. Jamie. I am showing you my slouchy cell phone posture today. This is like your typical posture of people in America sitting with their cell phone in hand. You can see there's a huge space here between me and the back of the chair, and that my shoulders are all rolled forward. And it probably looks pretty uncomfortable, but this is a really common posture. So we're going to go over that, but first, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hit the subscribe button and get health and wellness videos from me regularly. And take 2 seconds to just pause the video and read my disclaimer before going forward. Okay, I'm going to show you how we need to be. Whether we're sitting or standing, you want to keep your back straight. And what we do to look down, especially at our cell phones, is first we kind of collapse here in the upper back, and it pushes back. Then we roll the shoulders forward, and then the head goes forward a little bit, and then we start dropping the chin to look down, and we get uncomfortable. The thing you want to do, and what our body's built to do, is to drop the chin, but with an upright posture in the back. So this stays up. The shoulders don't roll, the back doesn't collapse. We stay upright here, but to look at the phone, you just drop your chin. And we're built to do that. The other thing that you can do is, I always tell people to go to higher ground. In other words, try and raise whatever you're looking at. Even if I'm sitting on a sofa, I throw pillows on my lap and raise my cell phone up. Or wherever I am, I look for ways to keep the phone up, so that I don't have to keep looking down. But the one thing I never do is let my head get thrown forward by collapsing, because as soon as you do that, you're going to start causing pain in that neck and that upper back, and I've seen that so many times. Then the other thing people tend to want to do is get the devices that when you put them on, they kind of keep you upright. And here's what I'd say about them. They'll help stretch you out, but the problem is that long term, once you take them off, you haven't strengthened your muscles. And most of us are just weak in these muscles that keep us upright. So for example, right now I'm not leaning against the back of the chair. Most people can't do that for a long period of time, but we're built to do it. And so a great exercise for the back is actually sitting upright in a chair without leaning back. Perfect. Try that for an exercise. You'll really like it. And go watch that movie Titanic. You'll get a great idea of what good posture looks like. Okay guys, till next time. Bye.